Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another Diecastcarworld video. And we have another amazing unboxing video today coming up. And this one is a very special one because not only is this car super exclusive and expensive, but it's also one of the coolest, most amazing looking cars ever. Let's get into it, guys. Alright, so this is kind of an unexpected video today because when I ordered this car, I was going to receive it about a month in time. Like, it should have been arriving in April. Right now it's March. And that's actually really good because I'm getting it much faster than I anticipated, of course. And maybe you can see a little hint there. Yes, it is an Autoart model. I've been waiting for this car or I've been looking to get this car for a while now. And yeah, what can I say? I'm very excited to unbox this beauty. Yes, guys, it's officially out of the little bubble wrap. It's always fun to play around with. Oh, not a lot of bubble noises. But yeah, here it is. Liberty Walk, everyone. Autoart, by Autoart, Liberty Walk LB in the diamond logo. It's beautiful. This box is beautiful. I'm going to keep this box. LB Works Lamborghini Aventador. That's right, boys and girls. We have a Lamborghini Aventador today. In metallic sky blue, one of my favorite colors of all time. It's made in composite by Autoart 118 scale. Now, I want to tell you guys a few little pros and cons, I guess, and some special things about this car. Is that this model was actually made quite a few years ago. So it's been like maybe 4 to 5 years, maybe. It's the original Aventador in the Liberty Walk body kit, which is a very special kit. So it's very exclusive. Back then, this went around for around $180 to $200 on the official websites and stuff. And yeah, this box looks really cool, blue and everything. But right now, there isn't actually a very few left because this car is already like all sold out. It was exclusive. They don't make these anymore. They discontinued making this. And this one was actually heavily overpriced over the MSRP. And I bought it for around $250, which is a very, very expensive price. Especially knowing that this model only went for $180 in the past. And sometimes even more discount. So yeah, that's the rarity of this model and the exclusiveness right now. There isn't much around left, so I'll still leave a link down in the description to check it out. And if you can, if you want it, you can try to get one. But I'm pretty sure they're nearing extinction, basically, because they're selling out so quickly. And I mean, it's been a couple years since it first came out, so, or if not a couple, like 4 years maybe. I'm not exactly sure. I'll check the details. But yes. So the one concern is that since there's only a few left, I was worried that it may be broken or have like broken pieces, which would be terrible. In that case, I will have to probably return it. But I'm praying right now that there is no broken pieces in this car. And this I ordered from Amazon. I know not the most trustworthy, but it came all the way from Japan, just across the continent. So yes, I'm a little bit worried, but I'm praying right now. Let's get my hands in. Hopefully there is no broken parts and this is 100% new. So let's get right into it, guys. Let's open this up. I am so hyped. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm excited, everything. A lot of emotions. Let's get right into it. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. And wow, I'm lost of words and I can't even believe my eyes right now. It's stunning. It's gorgeous. The color, the body kit. Oh my lord. And from here right now, as of now, I haven't found anything bad about it. Except that there's no like tapes or anything like on the car itself. Which is a little bit questionable because they usually have it for opening parts like the doors and stuff. But other than that, like, it is just amazing. Like, this is one of my favorite cars of all time. One of my dream diecast cars to collect, one of my favorites. I always wanted one of these. I couldn't get one last year and the year before when they were actually lower priced, but yeah, here it is now. And it's brilliant, man. Like, just look at this thing. And I had to move it to the carpet because in case make sure I have to protect this car, you know, as much as possible to make sure it doesn't break. But let's put in a little bit more light here. I think I need to clean my camera a little bit too. I don't know if the camera was a little foggy or whatever, but couldn't show the color that well. But look at this beauty. Wow, I am just impressed, stunned. I mean, I could have gotten an Autoart, a brand new Autoart Aventador SV, or even the new Aventador S and other versions for much less than this car. This is worth right now $250. I could have gotten other models for around $200 to $220. But no, I had to choose this car because of this beautiful color, one of my favorite colors of all time, sky blue, metallic. So yeah, if I put this in the sun, it will glow. And the body kit, the special Liberty Walk body kit, that just makes this car so much better. And if you guys know the YouTuber, also one of my favorite YouTubers, Stradman, he also has an Aventador that's wide-bodied by the Liberty Walk kit, which is really special, which is really cool. But this is quite stunning. It's quite special. Of course, I'll do a full review and everything, walk around, photo shoots, and all that stuff, all that good stuff soon. Show you all the opening parts, because I'm not sure if all the parts open on this one because of their exclusiveness and the body kit and everything. But oh my goodness, guys, this is just stunning. I don't know, I'm lost of words. What do you guys think? Please leave it in the comments below. Do you love this color? Do you like this car? What's your favorite car? What's your favorite body kit? Whatever it is, just leave them all down below. I'll read to all of them, reply to all of them. Please keep continuing the support of our channel. It's been great. For more content like this, please leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, I'm just really happy right now. I mean, what can I say? Let's check these wheels real quick. Oh my god, look at these, man. Look how low the body is. I hope it's supposed to be like that, but here's the body kit, and the wheel is just right there. Like, there's barely any gap between the wheel and the body itself. We'll see how that is in a bit. And there was no they usually have some certificate for Autoart models, but not for this one. Make sure I'm not supposed to have that. But I got this thing, which is like a little instruction for removing the bolts, the screws, I mean, and opening up the doors. So from this picture right here, I think only the doors open. I don't think the engine bay or anything else opens. But if so, if it does open, it'll be really cool as well. I'll show you guys all in the next video, where I will do a full in-depth video of reviewing and all that fun stuff. So thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for watching this amazing video, or this amazing car. Wow, I'm very thrilled to have this in my collection. This would go right next to my Aventador J in green. Look, I'm just so excited how that's gonna look right next to that car. And I'll, of course, do a collection update soon as well. Excuse me. Yeah, and please also leave a comment what content you want to see next. I have another some more unboxing videos coming up. I have the full tour and everything, the reviews, all that's coming up. I also have like a cool parking lot thing going on that I bought from somewhere that I could probably present these cars in. Be really awesome. So thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Oh, that's nice.